the bus, it was bad. I was on the bus, it was good.
Well, does it well like it?
Oh yeah. No, around my sister's way, it's going to get worse. She's in Enfield, she got it before us. We had it coming, but she had it already, so... more coming. Anyway, no, but the peanuts, right? They said he loved them, so I said, well, I should chew them off. I don't want to finish them. I said, I bought some roses to do, that's the one. I said, I'm going to have them. But I couldn't eat them, because when I took the cheese in the fridge, you could smell the cheese. You know how you get that smell? Oh, it's like lightning. That's on there. Yeah, it's coming now. I said, lightning is on there. No, I went to have a cheese roll, the cheese smelled. No, you can smell the cheese, it don't smell right. It smelled. So I thought, no, I don't want the cheese roll then, so I put it away. So I wouldn't eat it. Because I want to smell that cheese, and I thought, oh no, I don't like it to smell. It pisses me off. So I thought, no, I don't want it. So I didn't have a cheese roll. Yeah. But the peanuts, they was eating them. Then Mum goes, oh, I don't know if I like them. Give me some more. And then she had some more. And then she goes, I think what it is, she goes, it grows on you. She didn't like them. The next minute she's eating them. She nearly ate the whole packet. And she's saying she didn't like them before. I put them on it down, like, you know what he said to me? Buy 2 packets. So I had to go to Asda and buy 2 more packets. So I bought a block of cheese as well, because obviously I want cheese. It cost me a lot of money, £10 I think. But I wanted some cheese to put on that, put on the roll. I can't eat that cheese. I threw the roll away. I did a roll for work with cheese in it, I threw it away. I didn't want to eat the cheese because I knew the cheese would turn me on. I don't like that sweaty smell of cheese. Ew, no thanks. That's me on. How bad is it now? Yeah, it is, yeah. It's doing it here, yeah. Yeah. But there is a good thing though. Do you know what that is? The PC still works. Yeah. Well, what do you expect for 20 quid at a car boot sale? I was lucky it works. At least that still works. Usually it's kind of like, oh, it's smoked by now. The last one I got, after a while, decided to go, can I smoke? So at least I'm lucky that time. Cool, yeah, lightning again. There's a fun one. But anyway, you've got to let me know if you need any CD-ROM stuff for the PC. I don't mean Norton, I can't. That's it, don't worry about Norton. He said if you ain't on the internet, you don't need to worry about antivirus. I said, but at least you've got something in there. You don't have to worry about it. I can get you well, I think I can do it, I'm not sure. I might be able to get a Vast, I don't know. I can go on the internet and download a Vast for nothing, but I don't know if I can actually get it. That's a good one. Apart from Norton, that's good. But I don't know if I can get it. If, you see, well Dad said because you're not on the internet, you don't need to worry about it. But if I can get a Vast from the internet, I might be able to put it onto a disc. But then when I bring a disc round, you just put it in and then hopefully it should come up and work. But I don't know because you see this is going to be a CDR disc. And you haven't got a player, you've got a CD-ROM. Not a CDR or a DVD, so it may not work anyway. But I think what you need the external drive.